Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel at Future Way Next. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're going to talk about Alberta PNP 2024, New Rules and Requirements, Changes, Application Process IRCC. Before we start, make sure to stick around till the end for all the info. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates. Now, let's get into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Future Way Next. We hope you're doing great. Well, in this we'll talk about Alberta PNP immigrate and settle in Alberta without job offers. So to get all the information, pay attention and watch the video through to the end. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alberta PNP, how to immigrate and settle in Alberta in 2024. The Alberta Provincial Nominee Program PNP stands as a beacon for individuals aspiring to immigrate to Canada and establish a life in the vibrant province of Alberta in 2024. This program continues to be a key pathway for skilled workers, entrepreneurs, and international graduates eager to contribute to Alberta's thriving industries. This comprehensive guide delves into the Alberta PNP, shedding light on its benefits, the application process, eligibility criteria, and tips for a seamless transition to Alberta. The Alberta PNP program and its benefits. The Alberta PNP is a tailored immigration initiative crafted to meet the labor market demands of the province by attracting individuals with the requisite skills and experience. Alberta aims to bolster its industries and sustain economic growth. A pivotal advantage of the Alberta PNP lies in its potential to grant permanent residency in Canada. Successful applicants gain access to a plethora of rights and benefits, including healthcare, education, and numerous employment opportunities, providing a solid foundation for long-term settlement in Canada. Known as the Energy Province, Alberta boasts a high standard of living in a robust economy driven by abundant natural resources such as oil, gas, and minerals. The province recognizes the pivotal role skilled workers play in its economic landscape, making the Alberta PNP an essential component of its strategy to attract and retain top talent. Beyond economic prospects, Alberta's commitment to inclusivity and diversity sets the stage for newcomers to become integral members of a multicultural society. Why choose Alberta? Alberta's appeal extends beyond economic considerations. The province is a melting pot of cultures, fostering a rich and inclusive society. Newcomers are welcomed with open arms, and the cultural diversity is celebrated through various festivals, events, and community initiatives. Beyond the social fabric, Alberta's natural landscapes contribute to its allure. From the majestic Rocky Mountains to pristine lakes and vast prairies, the province offers a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. Activities like hiking, skiing, fishing, and camping abound, ensuring a high quality of life for residents. Application process, a step-by-step guide. Understanding the application process is crucial for prospective immigrants. The Alberta PNP application involves several steps, including determining eligibility, creating an Expressentry profile, submitting an expression of interest (EOI), receiving a notification of interest (NOI) from Alberta, and finally applying for a provincial nomination. This video navigates through each step, providing insights and tips to enhance the efficiency of the application process. Eligibility criteria for Alberta PNP. To successfully navigate the Alberta PNP application process, applicants must meet specific dependent children of Canadian citizens and permanent residents. IRCC service standard electronic applications. 12 months permanent resident cards. Permanent resident cards are used by IRCC to verify a foreign national's PR status. This card, which includes a picture of the card holder, is used as both an identification document and a travel document for Canadian permanent resident. Centering Canada. IRCC service standard for a PR's initial permanent eligibility criteria. These criteria vary based on the stream selected, including the Alberta Expressentry stream, Alberta Opportunity stream, and the Self-Employed Farmer stream. This section breaks down the requirements for each stream, offering clarity to potential applicants. Tips for a smooth transition to Alberta. Relocating to a new province involves various challenges and adjustments. This video provides practical tips to facilitate a smooth transition to Alberta, from understanding the local culture and navigating the healthcare system to exploring recreational activities. These insights aid to prepare newcomers for a fulfilling life in Alberta. Outcome of the Alberta PNP latest draws. The Alberta PNP regularly conducts draws to nominate individuals with the skills needed for the province's in-demand jobs. The latest draw, held on October 10, 2023 saw the issuance of 13 notifications of interest. Noise with a comprehensive ranking system CRS cutoff of 327. Understanding these draw outcomes is crucial for prospective applicants as it sheds light on the competitiveness of the process and the score required to receive ONOI requirements for applying to the Alberta PNP. Before embarking on the Alberta PNP journey, applicants must grasp the specific requirements associated with their chosen stream: education, work experience, language proficiency, and adaptability are key factors considered during the application process. For educational qualifications, the Alberta PNP favors applicants with post-secondary education related to their intended occupation. Higher education level enhance the likelihood of selection. Work experience, both paid and unpaid, is another critical aspect. A minimum number of years in an occupation in high demand in Alberta is typically required. Language proficiency, demonstrated through approved tests like IELTS or TEA, is paramount for successful integration. Moreover, adaptability factors such as previous work or educational experience in Alberta, family connections, and financial self-sufficiency contribute to a holistic assessment. It's essential to note that these requirements can evolve, underscoring the importance of regularly checking the official Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program website for the latest eligibility criteria. A step-by-step guide to the Alberta PNP process. Navigating the Alberta PNP process involves several steps, each demanding careful consideration and documentation. The journey begins with creating an online account and submitting an expression of interest. A successful may lead to an invitation to apply. Initiating the next phase, applicants must adhere to specified timelines for submitting a comprehensive application. Once approved, a nomination from Alberta is granted, providing the foundation for a permanent residency application with the federal government. How to leverage the Alberta PNP to relocate to Alberta. Relocating to a new province is both thrilling and challenging. The Alberta PNP recognizes the need for support services to aid immigrants in settling and integrating into the province. These services encompass information sessions, orientation programs, community resource referrals, and assistance in employment and housing searches. Leveraging these services empowers newcomers, ensuring a smoother transition and a successful beginning in Alberta. Understanding the eligibility criteria for the Alberta PNP. Comprehensive knowledge of eligibility criteria is fundamental before initiating an Alberta PNP application. Different streams or categories have distinct requirements related to education, work experience, language proficiency, and ties to Alberta. Prospective applicants should meticulously review the criteria to align their qualifications with the specific demands of their chosen stream. What to expect after applying for the Alberta PNP. The post-application phase involves document verification, background checks, and potential interviews. Patience is paramount, as applicants may receive requests for additional information or documentation. The processing time varies based on application volume and complexity. Regularly monitoring application status and promptly responding to requests ensures a seamless and timely process. Understanding settlement support services. Alberta welcomes PNP immigrants with open arms, offering a plethora of settlement support services tailored to facilitate their successful integration. These services extend beyond mere orientation, encompassing valuable assistance in housing, language acquisition, employment support, and community engagement. By tapping into these resources, newcomers can navigate the complexities of settling in a new province with confidence. One, community and cultural integration. Understanding the nuances of Alberta's communities and culture is pivotal for a newcomer. Settlement services often organize orientation sessions, cultural events, and community initiatives to introduce immigrants to the diverse facets of Alberta. Connecting with local communities, immigrant organizations, and social groups fosters a sense of belonging and creates a robust support network. 2. Housing assistance. Navigating the housing market in a new province can be challenging. Settlement support services provide guidance on finding suitable housing, whether it's temporary accommodation upon arrival or a permanent residence. Information on neighborhoods, rental options, and essential services contributes to informed decision-making, ensuring a comfortable settlement. 3. Language classes and skill enhancement. Proficiency in English or French is fundamental for effective communication and employment opportunities. Settlement services offer language classes and skill enhancement programs to assist newcomers in adapting to the linguistic demands of Alberta. Improving language skills not only enhances daily interactions but also opens doors. A broader spectrum of job opportunities for employment support. Securing meaningful employment is a crucial aspect of settlement support services. Provide assistance in resume building, job searching, and interview preparation. Connecting newcomers with potential employers and industry-specific training enhances their prospects in Alberta's dynamic job market. 5. Community organization engagement. Becoming actively involved in community organization can be a catalyst for integration. Settlement services facilitate connections with local groups, cultural organizations, and volunteer opportunities. Active participation in community life not only enriches one's experience, but also contributes to the vibrancy of Alberta's diverse communities. Tips for a smooth transition to Alberta for PNP immigrants. Navigating the transition to a new province demands strategic planning and adaptability. Here are some invaluable tips to ensure a smooth and successful relocation. Build a support network. Connect with local communities, immigrant organizations, and social groups. Build a support network that can assist in both personal and professional aspects. How to make the most of the Alberta PNP. In 2023, the Alberta PNP presents a unique opportunity for skilled workers and entrepreneurs seeking a promising future in the province. Maximizing this opportunity requires a strategic approach. 1. Thorough research. Understand the intricacies of the Alberta PNP, including available streams and eligibility criteria. Identify the most suitable stream based on your qualifications and aspirations. 2. Program alignment. Ensure that your qualifications align with the requirements of your chosen stream. Seek guidance from immigration consultants or settlement services to optimize your application. 3. Meeting eligibility criteria. Regularly check the Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program website for updated eligibility criteria. Prepare thorough documentation to meet all necessary requirements. 4. Positive mindset. Approach the immigration process with a positive mindset. Embrace the prospect of contributing to Alberta's vibrant communities and thriving economy. FAQs. Who is eligible for Alberta PNP? You must have a minimum of 3 years of work experience in an occupation that supports Alberta's economic development and diversification. What is the I-score for PNP in Alberta? A 5.5 score band is sufficient to apply for a Canadian PR visa under immigration programs like Alberta Immigrant Nominee Program, Manitoba Provincial Nominee Program, or Quebec Skilled Worker Program. Can I apply for Alberta PNP without job offer? 2024. Yes, you can apply to Alberta PNP under Expressentry stream without any job offer letter. I selects candidates having a minimum 300 CRS score. Upon nomination, candidates get 600 additional points in the current CRS. Is PNP easy in Alberta? Due to Alberta's low CRS requirement, they are often considered one of the easiest provinces to get PR in Canada. How much does Alberta PNP cost? Processing fee $550 Canadian dollar. Write a permanent residence fee RPRFD for $90 Canadian dollar, including a dependent child $150 Canadian dollar. Conclusion. In navigating the settlement support services for Alberta PNP applicants is a multifaceted journey that demands strategic planning and a proactive approach. By leveraging the wealth of resources available, newcomers can turn challenges into opportunities and ensure a seamless integration into the province's dynamic tapestry. The Alberta PNP, coupled with settlement support services and a positive mindset, paves the way for a fulfilling and successful life in Alberta in 2024 and beyond. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully the information is useful to you. See you later in the next episode. Till then, take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on future Way Next. That's it for today. What are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.